Assalamu alaikum, dear students.
Walaikum salam, sir.
जी वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Okay, I hope all are fine. And
ओके सर।
we have discussed in the last class about the binary systems, how the zeros and one, the binary digits are implemented in computers and what computer understand, how decimal and form it, decimal number equivalent, and how the octal and how the hexadecimal number looks like. And we completed the notepad version of how in notepad we can use as a website developing also as a basic tool. So I have shown you the link of one website also where you can learn the web programming. So that was about the numbering system, and the notepad. In today's class we will discuss about what is WordPad, and I hope this class will not be lengthy because you people are familiar with what is the notepad. So it is not very hard to understand what is WordPad. Notepad is very similar to WordPad is very similar to Notepad. So I will screen share here. This is my screen. I hope you can see the screen. So first of all, we have this Windows. I will change the background, personalize as I have shown you already. Scene. So I will go first with the slides. Slide of WordPad. There will be some introduction. So we are learning this course name is Diploma in Computer Application. So the WordPad introduction. WordPad is the basic word processor that has been included with almost all version of Microsoft Windows from the Windows 98. From the starting of Windows 98, this WordPad is been integrated in that, means included in that. When you install the Windows 95, you will have the WordPad in that. It is more advanced than Microsoft Notepad. What we have seen about the Notepad, it is more advanced than that. As I have seen that what Notepad is, in Notepad we have some editing, writing text and all those features, but we don't have the picture. We can't include the picture in that. We can't bring photo in that. Okay. And the simpler than Microsoft Word and Microsoft Work. This is the simpler than the Microsoft Word and Microsoft Work. We will know in the MS Office. We will be soon going to start what is MS Office. So in that we have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and all those features will be there in that. So it is just for introduction. It is simpler than those things. So in next classes, we will be having introduction for it, and we will have lecture on that, and we will have some practice session also on that, and I will give some assignment also you people to do that. Okay. So WordPad used for what? What is the WordPad? Okay. It's used for basic text editing app you can use to create and edit file, include text with different fonts and colors, insert pictures. You can insert here the pictures. You can give fonts and colors. Okay. Add links to the other files. Just it is adds the links to other files. Okay. Notepad and WordPad difference. Notepad is most basic text editor. I have already told what is the difference. So we are seeing again what is the difference in this, which allows you to open and create the text file. WordPad is similar to Notepad, but you gives you more formatting option. So there is a little bit more options, like you can bring picture and you can bring graph on here. You can use bold and italic formatting. As I have told you, have the font and italic form is extra here, and the change of the font size and color of the text. So these features are extra here. So that was about the Notepad. So now I will go to show where the Notepad actually WordPad has actually the location. We will go in the start, and we go for accessories, all programs first. Okay, here all program, and then accessories. You will find here WordPad. Here you have the WordPad. Okay, just right click on that, and you can just make unpin from the start menu. Sorry, you can pin at the start menu. Already I have here one file is open, so I will open. Okay, so this is how WordPad looks. It's similar to Notepad. You have minimization, here resize, make big or small, and close. If you close here it will go away from here. Okay, and you have restore, minimize, close. Again same options here is there, and you have here control S to save. The WordPad is there here, so I will give the name here, WordPad learning. WordPad learning in documents. I will save. So it is saved. You can see the name here. Okay. So thing is that here you have the paste option, from where you can paste if you wrote something. You have here clipboard in the home, font, paragraph, insert, editing. In clipboard you can do some editing. In font you can change the size, and you can make italic and all those things. And you have the paragraph, you can make the size, left side or right side, and all those things. And insert, you can insert something, images and all those things. And editing is there, you can do editing here, all those things. Okay, Shahid sir, Can you make the voice less? I can hear that and I'm getting confused. Just make the sound low, or you use the headphones. Yes. Who is this galaxy? Write your name and don't do this. Okay, I clear that. Again, don't do
At
this.
night.
Anything. So I will be writing something here. I will take this from here, copy. I'm taking this format here just to write something. I will paste here. So same how to do copy. Again, you know, like this, you do copy and just paste it. Right click and paste. This is how you do copy and paste. Okay. So what is bold? So first of all, I will show the size, how to take the size. Okay. You want to give different size to this text. Just go into this and take some size like 20. Okay. The size is changed. And this is looking like a somewhat uh, italic form. So I can change to straight and I can give bold format as well. I can do underline over it. So I will remove. Now we can see here the writing also. So I can change the writing here. Wherever I am moving the cursor, it is showing some kind of different writing. So this is the writing style. Okay. So Bookman old style we will take. Azimuddin, please don't write anything. Azimuddin, please don't write anything on screen. So we want to give some bold. So this is how we do bold. If you want to do italic, italic means somewhat slant. It will get slant. If you want to underline, just select, just go for underline. If you want to cut similar, you know similar, you just ABCD cut, there will line is showing. Okay. And if you want to change the color of this format text, you go for this and take the color. The color is changed. Background is changed. Just if you want to change the color, this is how you color change. Okay. Here background is changed to highlight. Here the color is changed. Here it is getting larger if you just click on and on, and if you do smaller, the other A is there, you just do like this. Okay. I will bring it to closer. So you have another option. You have another option here as giving size. Okay. Sorry, changing the um, alignment, align text to middle. We can do the middle. Okay, I will change the size so that you can see 18, and I can do left, so it will get left. I can do in the justify, it will just justify, and I can do some changes from here by writing. If I write 3 and justify, okay, so it will get like this. I will remove, I will keep as it is. I will write 2, so it will come like this. So if I, you might have read the books, and there also it shows how to, how writer moves some font while they're writing. They write like this and like this, so they use like this. they they move, they move like this format, and other formats are written. So you can give ABCD also. Here A is there, B, C. You can see ABCD. Otherwise, you can give, you can give 1 2 3 also. There is 1 2 3 is written. Okay, now you can give gap also. You can see the one line and two line, there is a gap like this. You can give 1.5, 1.15, 1.1, sorry, 1.0, lesser gap. You can move like this, or you can move, drag like this to here, this side. Okay, I hope you are getting the class. And there is feature to add picture here. If you are doing resume, you can add picture also. I will go in pictures. For example, student want to do project and write something. I will take this picture. Okay. For the school students, teachers are saying to do project. So they can drag picture here in the WordPad and write about it. They can search from internet also data, and they can write here. So this is how the work will be done, and you can submit to a teacher. So this is how you insert a picture. Okay. Simply going here in the picture, and you bring picture from where the location you want. And you can do painting here. For example, you take some features like this, and you draw, and you fill the color, and I think you delete it, and the picture painting will come here. So this is somewhat a diamond shape. You have the painting. So whatever you want to bring, you have to just draw and close that window. It will appear here. You can insert date and time, in which format you want to do like that. For example, Saturday. Today is Friday, right? Our time is wrong. Okay. So we will take, for example, Saturday, September 26, 2020. The date is, time is there. Okay. One thing again I want to show here you. After insert object, I will show here one feature is there. Insert object. You can insert some chart or some binary worksheet and all those things. This is Excel worksheet. You can insert, or you can insert the graph. Just okay. Just take this and delete. do it from here. You can give some uh, chart characteristics from where the value increase in what time it increase. You can give x y all those things characters, and you can do. So this is very easy. Okay, I will show one thing here to you. I wrote, if I wrote here formula like H2O, but I want to give 2 to downwards. I have here one option. Just I select that and give like this. So H2O is appearing here. I will make it larger and I will show. So you people can see H2O, how to write the H2O formula. Same way in yesterday's class, I was trying to explain a student what is 2 to the power of 0, what is 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. So how I can write power of 0. So if I want to just write 2 to the power of 0, just select 0. Wait. Select 0 and give upper. So this is 2 to the power of 0. Same way I can write 2 to the power of 1. Sorry. And select that 2 to the power of 1. And select from here. It will become like this. So we can write some different characters in this. So if I want to paste, for example, I select this and I want to paste. So the same text is got pasted. Just click here, it will get pasted. So some paste special is also there. So picture, text, and all those things. So we have here some different characters, change the pictures and all those things. So it's similar. Okay, we have find also. If I want to find in the notepad, I have showed how to do all those things. I want to find the word more. More, find. Here it is showing the more. So I just match whole words. I will go here wherever the more is there. Okay, delete, replace. I want to change the more to and. Find next, replace more to and, replace all will get and in the place of more. So I will change again and to, again I will replace and to more, more to and to more. Okay, replace all. So this is the what I can do. We can do select all also. Everything is selected. Okay, this is the editings we can do here. Students can see the chat box. Sir is giving some message here. I will give time. Excuse me, participant, those students who did not pay DCA course fee and register yourself for this course that only eligible for certificate, as well as I am making their attendance only those students. Okay. So this is how we are doing. Okay, editing. That was about the simple things, and we have view here. In that we can see some maximum minimization we can do, and zoom we can do. We can take the size, and we have the ruler. From the above it will go away. What is this ruler? It is just changing the margin. Okay, we have status bar. Down there is a bar. Okay, it will go away. If I click here, it will be going away. If I click again, it is coming. We have word wrap. If there is no word wrap, there is no sentence. It will go in a one line. See, word wrap. So I will take the word wrap. So this is how I'm changing. So wrap to ruler. So measurement units we have inches, centimeter. Here this measurements is getting changed, and points we have are we say picas. So I will take in inches. So these are the basics about the WordPad. So we have roller here. You can scroll down from here, and we have here doubt. You can ask, you can read about it, help. You can take example what thing you are not getting understand. You have here everything. So these are the basics about the WordPad. So again, I will review what is WordPad is. In this class, we have seen WordPad is basic word processor that has been included with almost all versions of Microsoft Windows from the Windows 98. This is Windows 7. In also Windows 7 we have seen. Okay, from the Windows 9 it has been started. It is the more advanced than Microsoft Word and simpler than the Microsoft Word and Microsoft Works. WordPad is basic editing app you can use to create and edit files, include text with different fonts and colors, insert pictures, add links to other files. We have seen how we have inserted the picture, how we have changed the color, how we have changed the font, and how we have linked the other files like graphic file, graph we have inserted it, and Excel format we have inserted it, and Notepad difference. Okay, and WordPad Notepad difference is the most basic text editor which allows you to open and create text file. WordPad is similar to Notepad, but you give you more formatting options. You can use bold and italic formatting and change the font size, color, and text. So this is about WordPad. In next classes, I will be teaching you what is MS Office. It will be very interesting topics. Okay, thank you. So you can ask the question if you want to ask the question. I will see who is in. You just raise your hand. I think those who have the question, they can raise their hand. Muhammad Ishtiaq Muhyiddin, please can ask the question. Unmute yourself and ask the question. Unmute yourself and ask the question. Sir, can you unmute Muhammad Ishtiaq Muhyiddin? Okay, you can unmute yourself. There is option Muhammad Ishtiaq. If other person has the doubt, they can ask. Other than Muhammad Ishtiaq, if anyone has the doubt, they can ask. Okay, any other person has the question, they can raise your hand. Any other person. Okay, I hope there is no questions. Today's class which is very easy and simple, and I have explained everything. Ishtiaq, if you can't give a voice, you can write in chat box. If you can write in chat box if your voice is not properly audible to me. Okay, I hope it is clear. I think sir want to give some message. I will give this to opportunity to give some message to message sir to give the message. Okay, I leave this.
Hello, excuse me, class. I received many questions regarding this course. Can you please explain about yesterday class? Mohammad Ishtiaq, please, you can recall or watch yesterday classes we have uploaded in YouTube or Facebook. So you can watch and recall. What is your problem? If you have any more questions regarding this course, then you can ask tomorrow. Is that okay? Yes or no? आप लोग सुन रहे हैं मुझे?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Anybody is hearing me? Please.
Yes, sir. Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
बोलो यार, तुम लोग खामोश रहते यहाँ पे. कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन अबाउट यस्टरडे क्लास? यस्टरडे क्लास का आप रिकॉल करो. यूट्यूब पे मैं अपलोड करा वीडियो, वहाँ पे देख करके आप जो भी मसला है उसको देख लो आप. इसके बाद भी अगर क्वेश्चन रहता नहीं समझ में आया तो उसको पूछो आप कल के क्लास में. ओके?
ठीक है सर.
Okay.
हाँ, और यहाँ पर कुछ देखो, एक बात और है. वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू. क्या है वो? ये यहाँ पे कुछ नाम ऐसे हैं जिनको मैं नहीं जानता. कौन है, क्या है, और ऐसे इस तरह का, तो मैं उनका अटेंडेंस नहीं बना रहा हूँ. ओनली ये नाम रखा, ये क्या है, सफीना ओनली, समीना ओनली. आई डोंट नो हर. मैं उसको नहीं जान रहा हूँ और अटेंडेंस भी नहीं बन रहा आपका. अटेंडेंस नहीं बनता तो फिर वो सर्टिफिकेट में मुश्किल होता आपका. मैं पहले आपको ये इतला कर दे रहा हूँ इस बात से, इन्फॉर्म. ओके, और तो यहाँ पे वैसे कोई नहीं है. ठीक है, सबका अटेंडेंस बन गया. मैंने YouTube का लिंक वीडियो वहाँ पे अपडेट कर दिया हूँ मैं ग्रुप में.
जी सर.
DCA का ग्रुप जो है
देख लिया.
मैंने DCA का ये जो कोर्स हो रहे हैं क्लासेस, हर एक दिन का क्लासेस का वीडियो मैं उसमें अपडेट कर रहा हूँ. उसमें आप देख सकते हैं. YouTube लिंक भेजने की क्या मैंने ग्रुप में भेजा ना. आएगा सिद्दीका, क्या है मोहम्मद. अच्छा, तो ठीक है. व्हाई देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम टू एक्सप्लेन वंस अगेन. मिसेस खानिया खाना, क्या नाम है, साफिया खाना. व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम सर? फर्स्ट क्लास में ही शुरू में ही वो एक्सप्लेन किया था ना इसको, और फिर भी नहीं समझ में आया तो एक बार YouTube में देख लो आप वीडियो. ठीक है? और फिर भी समझ में नहीं आया तो कल पूछो, कल इंशाल्लाह क्लास में सर क्लियर कर दे। ओके links which you are sending are not hyperlinks. About which link? किस लिंक के बारे में बोल रहे हैं आप? Oh, Zoom and YouTube. How is it possible? Okay, I will check again and confirm you. बाइनरी डेसिमल एक बार फिर से आप क्लास देख लो एक बार, और फिर भी जो भी क्वेश्चंस नहीं समझ में आया, क्वेश्चन जो भी रहा उसको कल पूछो आप, ठीक है?
ओके
ओके, फिर आज का क्लास यहीं तक, कल फिर मिलते हैं।
ओके सर, अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज टू एवरीवन।